Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust row height and how to adjust column width. So stay tuned and watch till the end. For example, first I discuss about the row height. If I want to change the row height of this row, so place the cursor in row and then press Alt H O H. So window will pop up. The current size is 15. If I want to change it, if I want to increase the height, I press 20 and press OK. Now you can see the row height has been changed now. Second thing is column width. For example, if I want to change the column width of any specific column, so place the cursor in column and then the shortcut key is Alt H O W. A window will pop up. Right now size is 15.57. If I want to change it to 20, I will press 20 then OK. Now you can see the column width has been changed. So this is the way you can change the row height and the column width as well. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.